Okay, question 25. On the set of axes below, draw the graph of f of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 1. State the coordinates of the minimum. So the first thing I want to do, grab my graphing calculator, home screen, new doc, say no to drugs, and add a graph page. So x squared plus 4x plus 1. That's what my graph looks like. I want to replicate this graph on the grid provided. So menu 5, 3. My trace step is 1. Say OK. Now, when I do menu 5, 1, I get all the points looking exactly like they look on the graph that I need. So negative 5, 6 fits on the graph. Negative 6, 13 does not. So my first point over here is going to be negative 5, 6. My next point, as I arrow to the right, is negative 4, 1, followed by negative 3, negative 2. So the next step, the most important one, the minimum, is negative 2, negative 3. That's the bottom of our graph. And when I arrow, my calculator tells me that's the minimum. So negative 2, negative 3, followed by negative 1, negative 3. Our last 2 points are 0, 1, and 1, 6. Now, our final details here, we need to connect the dots, put arrows at the end of our parabola, make sure all our points are labeled, and label the graph. Now, the question asks, state the coordinates of the minimum. The coordinates of the minimum, negative 2, comma, negative 3. I recommend actually stating that on the side to make sure you get full credit for this question. One detail I want to point out. This was question 25 on the August 2024 Regents exam. This is a more recent question, so it's a great example of how they're asking graphing questions in the part 2 sections of the current exams. And that was 2 points for question 25.